3, 2, 1, take. Lihat kakak. Ya, halo teman-teman, kembali lagi dengan saya di channel ini. Dan hari ini si Mas Ucup ini, ya yang waktu itu saya sebutkan namanya. Ini adalah Mas Ucup. Lihat ke kamera dong, lihat ke kamera.
Oh iya, lihat ke kamera.
Jadi Mas Ucup ini
ganteng
hari
ya,
ini apaan sih? Jadi dia pengen, ini siapa lagi Nana? Badannya kayak tembok gede banget. Jadi ceritanya Mas Ucup ini mau reaksi. Ceritanya dia reaksi ke video-video ya seperti yang banyak dilakukan oleh orang-orang. Dan hari ini videonya adalah After Ever After yang
ya,
punya si Pain.
Kalau serem gue merem ya.
Tuh, gue 3. Gak usah takut ya lah lu.
If you've ever wondered why Disney tales all end in lies, here's what happened after all their dreams came true. I loved being princess down in this beautiful ocean blue, but mermaids are going missing. They end up in someone's school. So just try to put yourself into somebody else's gills. You're killing my ecosystem with fishing and oil spills. Oh no! Thank you BP. Thank you BP. Thank you BP. Thank you BP. The British are killing, oil is spilling. Now I can't see my eyes. China feast on flounder spins. Plus the Japanese killed all my whale friends. Oceans are browning. I think I'm drowning. Thanks to BP. You suck. Hey, I'm okay, but I'm slightly scared. My husband's a mark for the war on terror. Aladdin was taken by the CIA. You're not Taliban, you've got the wrong man. In Guantanamo Bay, Prince Ali, Wiggity Bee, drowning in lava. Interrogation from the nation of the free. Bin Laden's taken the fall. We're not trained pilots at all. You're forward crazy and no one but up us. We're for freedom, GE conductors. Bush was crazy, Obama's lazy. Al-Qaeda's not in this country. Set free, my prince. A whore. This town's gone wild since I married Adam. They think I'm going straight to hell. She'll burn in hell. But the charge is laid on me of bestiality. Could wind up getting me thrown in a cell. She is a weed. Oh, I'm overrun by madmen. I hear they plan to burn me at the stake, which will fry that bell must die. Let you believe I'm Satan, and now I hear that PETA's gonna take my beast away. After John Smith traveled back to England, I helped my people cultivate the fields. More English, French, and Spaniards came to visit, and they greeted us with guns and germs and steel. They forced us into unknown lands of exile. They pillaged, raped, and left us all for dead. So now I'm far more liberal with a weapon when I separate their bodies from their heads. White. What? Have you ever held the entrails of an English guy, or bit the beating hearts of Spanish men? Can you shoot an arrow in some French guy's eye? Sacre bleu! Can you paint with the red colors in these men?
Adios, amigos.
I can murder if I please, 'cause I'm dying of disease. I can paint with the red colors in these men. Thanks to BP, where's Prince Ali? Bestiality. I've got STD. Whoa, 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 whoa. SUAILG, subscribe.
Apaan sih? Apaan sih?
Masa kagak nggak mantep nggak nih ini? Ini gue suka.
Lu harus tahu.
I like this. Apa sih? Ini anak siapa sih? Antar mukanya blur aja.
You ever wondered why Disney tales all end in lies? Here's what happened after all their dreams came true.
Enggak, gue biar tahu artinya.
After saving China, I went home alone. I was feeling conflict in my lower zone. I've been dressing like a guy for months. Now I'm losing all control. I think I am a guy in my soul. I wanna be a man. I've never seen a guy so hot. Never reinvent the new me. Every time he speaks, he makes me want to sing. I'm so confused. Quiet, or we'll get caught. Maybe one day he'll screw me. Now I really get why my nickname is King. I've gotta be a man. I've got the brains and the bite of females, plus the beat and the brawn of dudes. I know I'm ready for transformation. It's time to replace all these useless dudes for you. The prince was absolutely the only single wish my heart made. Yes, my wish came true, but we never really talked much before he discovered my shoe. The night after we got married, I recounted all of my plights, of how I fit inside a pumpkin. My canines turned to coachman. Prince threw me in bed alone that night. The white jackets say I'm nutty, cause my clothes are sewn by that. Stick some meds in her third pills, turn my brain to putty. Now Lucifer's not just my cat. I am Secretary, so it puts me under. Shock therapies made me insane. And after years of steady fryings, the doctors gave up trying. They stuck 2 steel rods in my brain. Boom, 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 boom. Asking to do a lifetime to open my cafe. Then I took a dive in 2005. Now it's washed away, it's all washed away. I was picked up by a chopper after pulling pranks on my roof. Now my new home is the Astrodome, cause New Orleans ain't Katrina proof. You better carry around the shotgun, or looters take your kids. You better pee inside our jam bars. Ew. Be sure to keep those lids down. Now we didn't know what, but we got Bush. Or Sarah flew away and hid now. Rough seas and levees, rough seas and levees, rough seas and levees. I'm there. La da 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 da. There is no snow on the mountain tonight, just sulfur in the air. A kingdom of greenhouse gases, only Bill Nye seems to care. My town is melting, breaking off into the sea. It's time I showed the strength of an evil queen. With Germany and Putin too, I'll free the penguins and throw you in a zoo. We're going green by spilling red. And if you're not dead, I built a horde of evil snowmen. They're gonna take over the world. it snow, let it snow. Now foxes will need heat lamps. It snow, it snow. I hope you concentrate in camp.
Khayal Elsa.
We don't care, we have to stay. Let my troops march on. The troops march on. The cold's coming back and it's here to stay. I sunk like a brick, Prince thing song, ice is melting quick. Now I have a lot of self-esteem.
Gimana Cup?
Jadi ini kayak parodi doang kan, parodi.
Iya memang parodi. Gimana?
Ya,
Keren nggak?
Keren, tapi liriknya sedikit abstrak.
Lu kan demen motor nih.
Ya.
Nah ini adalah video termantap di dunia. Enggak juga sih. Jadi
Nggak juga sih.
Seorang yang mempunyai
ya
motor.
jadi dia motor FZR yang 4 silinder.
Ya,
Nah,
Dua
Oh, iya.
setengah.
suara kayak F1. Percaya nggak lu?
mana?
Nih lihat ya.
Gue pertama kali nonton itu gak nyangka. Hampir laptop yang gue banting.
Bodoh diem bada bol bada. Nih yang ini nih, lihat ya. Lu akan terkejut dengan suaranya.
Oh ini 250 tapi
4 silinder. Nih. Lihat nih.
Motor Kamen Rider.
Motor Kamen Rider.
Siap-siap ya, kuping anda itu mengalahkan Ereking gitu.
Iya.
Ngalah Ereking kan.
Nih.
Tapi yang dari anak video ini dia keluar itu
Nah ini, ntar di sini dia agak ya kok.
terjedak
Kocak.
dulu dan
Anjir.
Fail, lihat fail. Ya, kencengan. Dengerin. Anjing, keren banget. Nih balik lagi deh.
tapi agak lambat.
Gila keren banget. Anjing.
Tapi dia agak lambat.
Ya,
Saya cuma 2,5.
Cepet sih enggak dia suaranya anjing. Main. Keren banget anjing.
Herwan.
Kata gue minta beliin sama gue, tenang.
Dah, capek. Iya. Untung dia di luar negeri ya cepet. Coba di Indonesia. Kalau
Bukan
nggak
warga,
diomelin
Pak.
sama tetangga,
Wah.
dia aja bawa Erik manjaknya diomelin tetangga. Iya. Dan ini adalah di akhir dari video. Adalah video terakhir adalah Honda RC 166. Bisa dicari nanti link-linknya ada di bawah deskripsi, oke? Ih.
What the fuck is that?
Dan sekali lagi terima kasih yang telah menonton video ini. Jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe. Ya, bisa di subscribe mungkin di mukanya Ucup. Ini dia. Ya, atau di Mas Endut. Ya, mungkin kalau mau kayak kelihatan nih mukanya Mas Endut.
Ya nungguin Sintai 3 bukan cuma lu loh, gue juga nungguin.
Yo. Aku juga sih. Ya, dan sekali lagi terima kasih yang telah menonton dan tapi gini-gini nggak kerekam nih.
Ya sakit.